Yeah.
automations using AI to optimize supply chains or production processes. And that's fair because that's where we need the most help because no one's been no we have, but it hasn't been to this level, right? It hasn't
Hmm.
been to this level for any of these sectors. And the
Hmm.
one, this is my bias, the one I feel that is the most valuable is the
Uh-huh.
operations. Because I'm
Oh,
the
yeah. I think
I like action. We got to get done,
re-
get stuff done.
remember you tell me, remember when you said that the data was the blood and operations is the heart, right? Like
Pumping
I
all that
agree with
blood.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I agree with you. I think well, you see it from the perspective, from your technical background perspective of a system. And honestly, I've always seen operations as kind of like, wow, like that's kind of like the heart of any business.
All right. And then customer service is just being able to respond in a timely fashion and making sure that you have a really good search engine, right? That's going to be able to provide the right response, um, the way that your clients or the person asking for help is going to be able to receive it. Sorry, I just had a fire come in. So
Okay.
that
It's
is going to be an issue, but let's keep going and we'll go from there. So how do we understand it? So the way you have it here, do you want to explain the colors?
yes. So let's just say that if we drop this line of the AI concept, you are going to be AI roles, which are the
Purple.
purple ones that have already existed for a while. They have evolved into, let's say, AI developer, but they have already existed before. You were a developer. The thing about these specific roles is that a model manager might not have might have the exact same role as the AI developer in some cases. But the way that they are portrayed in this image is that some of them might to be filling in some spaces, and they have been evolving right now. Like the emerging AI roles have been definitely just data scientist and engineer, the head of AI prompt. You know, we've seen prompt being one of the most successful use cases when you use a good one. And the ethicist, which is something that well, I wouldn't call it emerging, but definitely it's going to be something that we will be discussing, you know, like a little auditor. We had
Exactly.
we had Q&A processes in the development of software process before, but now we're adding up these role. That means that someone needs to be taking care of this part of the task just so that it's filled. And then the new, I guess, model validator. I didn't call this. I look up for new roles that have been emerging, and I think the validator, the decision engineer, and the knowledge base is your to go when it comes to developing AI.